Why is the rule of law crucial in an era of populism? Imagine a society where leaders can do whatever they want without consequences. Sounds chaotic, right? That's why the rule of law is so important, especially now. When populist movements grow, they often challenge the rules that keep governments fair and balanced. Populists tend to claim they speak for the people and sometimes bypass established institutions. Without a strong rule of law, leaders could ignore laws, weaken courts, and undermine protections for minorities. This can lead to authoritarian rule or even chaos. The rule of law means everyone, from the highest officials to ordinary citizens, must follow the same rules. Laws need to be clear, stable, and known to everyone. They should be applied equally, no matter who you are. Independent courts and judiciaries are key to making sure laws are enforced fairly. This setup prevents leaders from acting on personal whims or political pressure. It's a core idea in liberalism that freedom is protected by laws, not by individual rulers' wishes. In times of rising populism, the rule of law acts like a shield. It keeps power in check and ensures that democracy stays strong. Without it, populist leaders might ignore legal procedures, weaken judicial independence, and attack civil liberties. This can quickly turn a democracy into an authoritarian state. For example, if a populist leader refuses to accept court rulings or tries to change laws to stay in power, the entire system becomes unstable. The rule of law also helps resolve conflicts peacefully. When political disagreements happen, laws and institutions provide a way to settle disputes without violence. It makes sure elections are fair and that transitions of power happen smoothly. This stability is vital for democracy to work well. Practically, defending the rule of law means holding leaders accountable to legal standards. It means laws must protect everyone's rights equally, including minorities. Courts need to stay independent so they can check government overreach. Governments should be transparent, so citizens can see what's happening and hold officials responsible. Even when emotions run high, respecting legal norms keeps society stable. If we lose the rule of law, populism can weaken the entire liberal democratic order. It risks giving power to those who might abuse it and erodes protections for individual freedoms. That's why maintaining strong legal rules and institutions is essential. It's the foundation that keeps democracy alive and well, even when populist movements challenge the status quo.